My topic is work, power, and energy. Work in physics, the measure of energy transfers that occurs when an object is moved over a distance by an external force. The unit of work is joule. There are three types of work done in physics. That is positive work done, negative work done, and zero work done. If the external force and the object displacement are in the same direction, then the work will be positive. Next, power. Power is defined as the rate at which work is done upon an object. The formula for power is P is equal to W by T. The unit of power is joules per second, which is termed as watt. Next, energy. Energy is the ability to perform work. Energy can neither be created nor destroyed. There are different types of energy. There is kinetic energy and potential energy. The SI unit of energy is joules. There are some examples for potential and kinetic energy. The kinetic energy is the energy associated with the object's motion. The formula for kinetic energy is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. Potential energy. Potential energy is the energy stored in an object or system of objects. The formula for potential energy is U is equal to mgh. There are some different types of kinetic energy, that is electrical energy, mechanical energy. And there are some different types of potential energy, that is gravitational potential energy, chemical potential energy. Next topic is redox reaction. The redox reaction can be defined as a chemical reaction in which electrons are transferred between two reactants. These are the equation for the redox reaction. That is the loss of electrons and the corresponding increase in the oxidation state of a given reactant is called oxidation. The gain of electrons and the corresponding decrease in the oxidation is called a reduction. Electron accepting species which tend to undergo a reduction in redox reaction are called oxidizing agents. There are some different types of redox reaction, that is decomposition reaction, combination reaction, displacement reaction, and disproportionation reaction. Decomposition reaction. 2Na, the kind of reaction involves the breakdown of a compound into two different compounds. The example reactions of decomposition reaction is 2NaH that gives 2Na plus H2. The NaH compound is breakdown into Na and H2. It's a combination reaction. These are all the opposite of the decomposition reaction. That is H2 plus Cl2 that gives 2HClC plus O2 gives CO2. Next, displacement reaction. In this kind of reaction, an atom or an ion in a compound is replaced by an atom or ion of another element. There are two types of displacement reaction, metal displacement and non-metal displacement reaction. First, metal displacement. This reaction, metal present in the compound is replaced by another metal. Non-metal displacement. In this type of reaction, we can find a hydrogen displacement and sometimes rarely occurring reaction involving oxygen displacement. Next, disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reaction are known as reaction in which a single reactant is oxidized and reduced. Oxidation reduction reaction. What is oxidation reaction? Oxidation may be defined as the loss of electrons from a substance. The other definition of oxidation reaction states that the addition of oxygen or the more electronegative element. What is reduction reaction? Like oxidation reduction are defined as the gain of electrons. There are some examples of reduction reaction. Important oxidizing agents. Molecules are made up of electronegative element. For example, O2, O3 and X2. Metals and non-metals. Example, MgO, CuO, CrO3, P4 and O10. Important reducing agents. All metals, for example, Na, Zn, Fe and Al. A few non-metals such as C, hydrogen, S and P. Organic compounds like HCOOH. Application of redox reaction. The battery uses for generating DC current uses a redox reaction. Batteries are electrochemical cells used in our day-to-day life. Application in photosynthesis. We are well known about the photosynthesis and the reaction of photosynthesis are 6CO2 plus 6H2O that gives C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Real life uses of redox reaction. Oxidation reduction reaction also find their application in sanitizing water and bleaching material. The industrial production of cleaning products involves the oxidation products. Electroplating is a process that uses redox reactions to apply a thin coating of a material on an object. Electroplating is used in the production of gold-plated jewelry. And these are all the real-life uses of redox reactions. Thank you.